Here are 10 tips for beginners in data analysis. 1. Start by defining the problem or question you want to answer with your data analysis. 2. Familiarize yourself with the data you have and ensure that it is reliable, relevant, and complete. 3. Clean and pre-process your data to remove any inaccuracies or outliers. 4. Choose appropriate statistical techniques and tools for your analysis, such as regression, clustering, or hypothesis testing. 5. Visualize your data to get a better understanding of patterns, trends, and relationships. 6. Validate your findings by checking for potential biases or stun variables. 7. Present your results effectively by using clear and simple visualizations and language. 8. Repeat your analysis as necessary and be open to modifying your methods based on the results. 9. Stay updated with the latest changes in data analysis, including new techniques and tools. 10. Always strive for accuracy and transparency in your analysis, and be mindful of ethical considerations.